Hello friends, in this video we will see how SPARSH VP310E can be configured with PRASAR UCS. Let us see the requirements for the same. PRASAR UCS license, allow zip extensions registration flag checked in security settings of PRASAR UCS. IP subscriber licenses. Consider a scenario where WAN port of PRASAR UCS is configured with static IP address. SPARSH VP310E will be registered with the WAN port IP address of PRASAR UCS. We will complete the configuration in 2 steps. SPARSH VP310E, that is client configuration, PRASAR UCS, that is server configuration. Let us start with the first step of SPARSH VP310E configuration. As the first step, connect power adapter or Ethernet cable from a PoE switch to turn on SPARSH VP310E. Configure the network parameters at the time of booting. Select connection type. There are 3 options available. First, static. Select this option when router provides fixed IP address to SPARSH VP310E. In this case, program IP address, subnet mask, gateway address and DNS address on the phone. Second, DHCP. Select this option when DHCP server or router provides available IP address from the IP address pool. Third, PPPoE. Select this option when dial-up modem of ISP provides PPPoE connection. In this case, PPPoE user ID, PPPoE password and PPPoE service name, that is optional, is to be configured on SPARSH VP310E. PPPoE server will allot IP address to SPARSH VP310E after receiving the dial-up request from the phone. We will select DHCP in this case. Program server address, and server port. Save the configuration. Saving the configuration will reboot the phone. After the reboot, SPARSH VP310E will show the message "Request failed, check configuration in server." This completes the configuration of SPARSH VP310E. Let us move on to the second step of PRASAR UCS configuration. log in to PRASAR UCS as System Engineer. Go to VoIP configuration followed by device management. Registration request from SPARSH VP310E will reflect in this page. Assign the SIP account of PRASAR UCS to SPARSH VP310E. Program SIP ID, that is the extension number to be assigned to SPARSH VP310E. Program authentication credentials to be used for authentication. Matrix PRASAR UCS supports call forking on SIP extensions, which allows you to register 3 devices on the same account. Select the desired location of VP310E registration accordingly. Select the registrar server address. Registrar server address is the address of the SIP server. PRASAR UCS provides this address to SPARSH VP310E for registration. There are 4 different options available for registrar server addresses depending on the network architecture. First, LAN port IP address. Select this option to register SPARSH VP310E on the LAN port of PRASAR UCS. Second, WAN port IP address. Select this option to register SPARSH VP310E on the WAN port of PRASAR UCS. Third, router or STUNS IP address. Select this option when installation of PRASAR UCS is behind the router with a static private IP address and the router is having public IP address or dynamic DNS host name. Note, in this scenario, the following ports must be forwarded to the static private IP address of PRASAR UCS. Ports: SPARSH port, SIP port, SIP TLS port if SIP is used over TLS, SIP RTP port range. If router is configured with static public IP address, router's public IP address must be configured under network parameters. If router is configured with dynamic DNS host name, simple traversal of UDP through net, that is STUN, must be configured under network parameters. Fourth, dynamic DNS host name. Select this option when PRASAR UCS is having dynamic DNS hostname configuration. As we are using SPARSH VP310E on the WAN port IP address of PRASAR UCS, we will select Use WAN port IP address in Registrar Server Address field. Go to SIP extension general parameters. Select the source port IP address. There are 3 options available. Use Ethernet port IP address. This option is used when phone is in the same network as the PRASAR UCS. Use IP address fetched using STUN. This option is used when PRASAR UCS or router is configured with dynamic DNS account. use router's public IP address. This option is used when PRASAR UCS is kept behind net and router is configured with static public IP address. We will select Use Ethernet port IP address option in this case, as SPARSH VP310E is registered on the WAN port of PRASAR UCS. With this, we finished the entire configuration. SPARSH VP310E will fetch the configuration from PRASAR UCS and will get registered. SPARSH VP310E is now ready for use. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries and support, contact Matrix Technical Support Team.